So add about 50 grams of dry tamarind to a bowl and add 1 cup of hot water. Let it soak for about 15 minutes. We need 2 small onions, 4 cloves of garlic and about 10 green chilies. Now don't worry that I'm using so many green chilies. Actually, the heat of the green chilies will be lost because of the sourness of the tamarind. Cut the onion first into small rounds. I'm going to use my chopper today to finely chop my onions. It's just quick and doesn't hurt eyes as much. You can use your knife as well. Chop the 4 garlic cloves in the chopper too. Then move the onion and garlic to one side and then place the green chilies on your chopper and chop them as well. Add another 100 ml of water and start by mashing the tamarind into the water. Mash until it gets into a very thick liquid-like consistency. Tamarind is full of heart-healthy polyphenols and flavonoids that help to reduce the bad LDL cholesterol and increase the good HDL cholesterols. The procyanidins in tamarind can help protect our liver from free radical damage. You can filter the fluid through a sieve to remove all the fibery bits. Traditionally, we just use our hands and remove the fibery bits. It does look messy, but this is the quickest and easiest way of doing it. You can completely skip this step by using tamarind paste. I would recommend using about 6 tablespoons dissolved in a cup of water. To a pan on high heat, add a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is warm, add a teaspoon of mustard seeds and wait for it to splutter. Then reduce the heat and add in 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds or methi. Add 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida. The asafoetida gives a beautiful flavor and also helps stop bloating. Add in the onions and garlic and coat them in the oil. Add a teaspoon of salt. After 30 seconds in total, add chopped green chilies. Bring the heat to a medium now and add in 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. Mix everything and saute for another 30 seconds. Add in 2 pinches of sugar to balance the sourness of the tamarind, followed by the tamarind juice. Add in another 150 ml of water. So in total it's 500 ml water or 2 cups. Mix everything well. Cover and cook for 10 minutes on medium to high heat. Open the lid once the 10 minutes are up. Our tamarind sour curry is now ready to enjoy. I love eating this with dal. It also works beautifully as a salad dressing or even as a dip. So try making this recipe and enjoy the health benefits of tamarind. Tamarind also has a natural preservative tendency, so you can store this curry in the fridge for up to a month. That's it for today. See you next week with another recipe. Stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.